Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Happy Wednesday. Give me some sevens in the chat if you can hear me all right. Excellent. What's up, Jimmy P? What's up, Amy? What's up, Ken, Christine, George, Emma, Arnie, Jim B? What's up, Carl? What up, Juan? Good morning. Happy Wednesday. We are live. Live on YouTube as well. Good morning to everybody watching on YouTube. Throw something in the comments. Let me know you're out there. We got a couple minutes before the market opens. All right, got a couple minutes before the market opens. What's up, Paula? What's up, Cindy? We're in alignment on all time frames for sales. News-wise, we had some news at 8:15. We have more at 45 and at 10 a.m. So we'll see how we open up here in 2 minutes. Right now, it looks like we're respecting 20,450. But let's higher level. We actually, so we didn't trade yesterday. We just did a back testing session, so we didn't talk about the market much yesterday at all. But we took out 2 monthly lows from February and from November. And if we stay bearish, this is the March low down here, current March low. And if we stay bearish, the next up would be the October low from 2024, which is 20,019. So it's another 400 points, which that can happen at a blink of an eye the way this market's been moving. So we'll see. We got a minute before the market opens here. kind of accumulating. So we'll see if we could take out this low here. I'm kind of playing around this 425 area with a little bit of attempt to shift. So we'll see. How's everybody doing? How's everybody feeling? Jazzy J, I see your message. Market is opening here in 10 seconds. We'll see what we do. See what we do. Ready for 75 points. Nice. How was the message yesterday? The backtesting message. Was that helpful? Did it resonate with anybody? Was there any aha moments? Did anybody do any backtesting after that? Did it help? Especially those people that aren't backtesting. Did it help you at all in terms of the desire to backtest a little bit? You're welcome, Amy. Really helpful. Christine was backtesting last night. Nice. Helpful, yes. Wonderful session. Good. Good. Excellent. I'm telling you, man, you put some time into that, you're going to see how your things just kind of like expand. Like things on the chart to start to stand out to you. Map out things a lot more. So we're pushing off. This is still the opening three. We're pushing off 400 right now. Came down again. This area. I mean, if we're going to continue going down, I would like to see us taking out this low. We're in alignment for sales, but we've already had we had a lot of movement already coming into the session, and we're starting to, like I said, kind of shift in this area around this 425 area. So we don't really do anything in the first 3 minutes anyway, but kind of watch price, and that's what it's doing at the moment. Still got a minute left in this candle. I'm going to drop down in 1 minute, just kind of look inside here. Looks like 930 was a bullish engulfing, 931 was a bearish engulfing. So violating that. Let's see if we drop to this low. If we're able to get below 400. Look to get into something here. I would really like to see the market impulse past here. Because this is technically the last move down before it did shift this structure internally. See how it's respecting that area right now. I'm not really interested in selling from 450 at the moment. Especially because I know we have this news 9:45, and I rather break structure down. That was the first 3 minutes. Oh, oops, we did close below. Did we close below 400? I think we just did close below 400. We did close below 400. I just missed that. I do want that. Let me see if it comes back up. I got that wrong. Actually not ready. Alright, I'm going to take this here at 406. See if this can lead us to a 350 area, 375. So I'm in at 406 and we are pushing down at the moment. Let me know if you guys are able to get in there. We're going to break even at 375. We got to get through this level. Right now, I'm in here trying to see if the market wants to push to this level. Right now it's respecting it again. I got 406 though, so my stop loss is actually at 428 on this. We gotta get through this low. If we get through this low, we should be good to go. Gotta get through this low here. How you got 407 and then SL? That doesn't make any sense. It hasn't even gone to 418 yet. You weren't even 10 points in down and drawdown. How you already hit SL? Something sounds like it's wrong with your settings. All right, we're fighting. We're trying. We're battling this this 400 area. We're close back above it. This might take us out. Gotta get back below 400. Come on. It's trying. Yep, I'm out now. Yeah, we bought right into that order block right there. I was trying to see if we can get that to push through. I'm not interested in 450 at the moment. 450 at the moment. I'm out now on that one. It's rejecting off of 425. Let's see what happens next here. Really? We got 8 seconds left in this 3-minute candle. Let's see if we close back above 4. Alright, we did close back above 400 there. So I'm open to 400 again if we close back below it. It just rejected off of 425. Let me know if anybody's still in. If you got an entry higher than 413, you might still be in this. Of course. You're so rude. You're so rude. You're so rude. If you're still in, you're at you should be at break even on this. I saw most of our entries being like 406 though, so everybody might be out. There's 450. There's the 50 points on that. Yeah, that was pretty rude there. All good. Next. Got a minute 10 left in this 3-minute candle. We're playing around. We're below 350 now. This low, this November low was already taken, so I'm not really too concerned with that. If we're gonna keep pushing, the next step would be, like I said, 019. So we got a lot of room here. The rudeness of that. 44 seconds. Looks like 350 is gonna be next step here. 7 minutes until when this candle closes. We're 6 minutes out from our 9:45 news. $20 seconds to go. We're at 341 right now. I haven't set it yet. I'm waiting for it to close since we're so close to it. Might jump back above it. Never mind. Looks like we're gonna close it. All right. I'm setting the sell limit at 350. Should be in. All right, well, let's get this to hold for us. So this is going to be a quick day. In by a hair. I'm out now. Alright, I'm not going to take another one yet. I'm not going to take another one at all. That was a fast 2 SLs there. I'm interested to see what this does next though. Got this news coming in. Oh, we still got 4 minutes. Yeah, I'm done. Got my 2-0, and that's it for me. Overtaking the structure at the moment here. A big old bullish engulfing. It's violating this bearish engulfing. At 450. A lot of rejection here at 450. We'll see if it pushes through there. Seems like it wants to now. This bullish engulfing candle up here is pretty heavy going into this news. This news is coming out in the end of this 3-minute candle, so in 2 minutes.
Rejecting it so far. 3 more wicks on it on the 1 minute chart. Got a couple people in at 450. There should be a break even on that. Let's see what happens in 15 seconds. It's giving the bearish engulfing on the 3 and the potential start of a violation of the 3-minute bullish engulfing we put in. We'll see. Here we go. There it's going. Almost to 50 points. Kind of confused. Not really going, not picking it aside yet. Drop. There's 50 points for you guys. Closing back below 400. Just had bad timing on this one. Got up to 398. All right, if I keep watching this, I'm end up taking another trade. So probably should hop off. It's very tempting. 400 would be next. We took that twice. Waiting for 300. Why not 350? Just because of the lower low. Makes sense. Well, it looks like it wants to definitely drop now. I just think again, this is the same thing that we were dealing with in the beginning. I'm pushing back to the 1 minute here. It didn't quite get a high. I mean, it depends on how you look at this structure here. You have a high, kind of a high. This is all internal. This isn't really major, but then you have this high here. And you had this impulse. Didn't respect the high, that the last high it dropped. It came up here and kind of here, did that. With the bullish engulfing candle with that. So it's kind of, I like your 300 thinking because of this area here. This push up, if this starts to respect this and go higher high, then this day could just consolidate. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Bad timing. 450 would have been good. Obviously, those that took that 450 hit TP 50 and 75. The rest of us that were in at 350, or excuse me, in at 400. What was it? 400 twice. Not so lucky there. So. I thought you were gone. I thought you were pissed and gone, Jimmy P. Now you're back. Now you're in at 407. 407. Oh, you were telling me your entry from earlier. Got it. 407. This is a very tricky area where it can go either way. Anyway, we're live again tomorrow, Thursday, and we're live Friday. Yeah, we're good there. I would say just check your settings. There's 400 again. I would just say just check your settings. Make sure that you got everything proper. For you to get in at 407 and to take you out at 417 just doesn't make much sense. Your contract sizes or whatever the case may be on Top Step X there. But I'm sure, Ken, are you in at 400 here? Especially since you hit TP at 450. Anybody else in at 400? Paula, you said it was tempting as well. Good luck to you if you are. So, I mean, it's moving well right now. You should be at break even if you did take it. Yeah, that's a good thing. We want the news as long as it drops. So doesn't that should be reason, not fear. There it goes. Yep, 400 would have worked out. Oh, Nita got a 450, hit 75 points. She's 1-1 today. Nice. Ken, I think you're rubbing off on my wife, man. Although that she only took 2 trades. She missed the first 2, or she missed one of the first 2. Steph got TP as well. Nice. Now we're in that area. Now we just hit the 50% of that. This down move here. So as Paula pointed out, 5 minutes now before red for the news here. Gotta get through there. 300 would be up next. Definitely looks like it just wants to fall here. Yeah, 350 would be next. Let me go back to the 3-minute chart. Yeah, 350 would be next. Well, it is falling now. That's a lower low. Technically, possibly 300 would be next. Since I'm so tempted to take it on my real account, I'm going to play with my Monopoly money here. There's 350. Watch, just being such an easy TP. Already break even on it. Carl's up 50, done for the day. Just got taken out of break even on 350. I mean 300. News is coming in a minute and 45 seconds. interesting that they didn't put me in there. 15 seconds. Red Folder News. This is not real. No, this is just a paper trading account. Market froze. There it is. There's the jump. There's the push. That's what I was looking for. I'm down $10,000. Never put a stop loss in. There's the push. That's what I was looking for. I thought it felt that we wanted to buy up. It just kind of felt that, like this unsmooth movement down. When technically we could just be coming up here just wake some stuff out and then drop, but it just kind of felt like that was coming. But anyway. Well, you're already down 50 points, so a lot could go wrong. Well, not a lot, but worst thing can go wrong is that you lose another 25 points, and then you're going to be really upset with yourself because you broke your plan. And then after that, a lot can go wrong if you don't control yourself. But if you're using the lockout feature on Top Step X, you should be locked out. So to stop you from bleeding yourself out. That's the same thing Ken just said. Both of you guys got taken out. 77 points. We're still in the alignment for sales. Came right back up to 450. When you have $100,000 of paper money, you don't put stop losses in. You just let it go until it comes back. I'm down $5,000, no big deal. It'll drop. Just $10,000 worth of drawdown. Here she comes. All right, some of you guys got some points today. Most of us are probably 0-2 and been sitting on the sidelines. Did anybody else that was 0-2 sneak in another entry at 450? Or where was that at? 350? What was it, 450? Or 400? 400? I don't know where it was, but Christine's 0-1. Let's do a roll call. Oh and 1. George is blocked at 0-2. Smart. Jason's 0-1. Juan's 0-2. Same. 0-2 as well. 1-3 down 52. 0-2. Yeah, buddy. If you're in top six, what do you mean by that? It's, took one trade and it shows over $100 short. Meaning it should, for example, it should be 300 and it's only 200. That's what you mean, Steph? Oh, interesting. This price action is pretty sloppy, and we always have a consolidated day before NFP. What's today? Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I didn't really expect it to be today, but as of right now, I mean, we're not really doing anything. We're kind of still in the same opening candle range at the moment. We've pushed down, we've pushed up, we played around here, we pushed down, we pushed up, and I mean, it still can go. It's just either taking its sweet time to go, or if it starts to fall back into this area, I really don't see it moving much further. Yeah, I'm still looking into the best case scenario for the triangle entries. Yeah. I'll post a link for the recording to yesterday here in a little bit. I'll send you guys a message when it's live. One minute's now in a stalemate. It's in a stalemate because of the volume, not the trend yet. See you tomorrow, Ken. All right. Well, like I said, I'm not taking more trades. I'm just kind of watching price to see what was going to happen here. It doesn't really. I'd be interested to see if it does just come back and start to consolidate. Kind of feels that way. Kind of feels that way. So I will see you guys tomorrow for Thursday. See you tomorrow, George. Get back into that back testing. I'll let you guys know when the video from yesterday is up. Yeah, if you guys need anything from me between now and then, feel free to hit me up on Telegram. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a great Wednesday. Peace out for now.
Sometimes I wanna leave. They be like, what you mean? I be sad, but I'm working like a fiend. Reminisce what life was like way before the dream, yeah.